Hi friends, so today is the day I finally get to do the incline. I am so excited but nervous at the same time. Again, it is 2,768 steps. But you know what? I can do this. My mind is ready, my body is ready, I've been working my legs, so let's do it. Follow this journey with me. It's gonna be a challenge, but it's a challenge I know I can do. Let's do it. Yes, at 1,000. Oh my goodness. 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. 2,768. Here we come. We're definitely coming for you. We are at 1,500 steps, guys. Here we come. Yeah, look at that view. Look at the view.